everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about common ion effect. This is the one of the important topic in ionic equilibrium. The topic is common ion effect. Friends, my name is Uma Shankar. I am going to talk about common ion effect to start this section. See this board. In my previous class I am going to talk about what is the calculate the pH of mixes like strong acids and strong bases. In this video I am going to talk about common ion effect. This is the very useful concept in ionic equilibrium, and so many competitive exams numerical problems is solved. This common ion effect is very useful. Now, what is common ion effects? Friends, you know that common ion effects is the suppression in dissociation of weak electrolyte in the presence of strong electrolyte. The suppression in dissociation of weak electrolyte in the presence of strong electrolyte, both having common ion. This is called as the common ion effect. Friends, what is the common ion effects? The suppression. Friends, suppression is the decreases degree of dissociation. Is called as suppression. Suppression means decreases of degree of dissociation in dissociation of weak electrolyte. What, friends? Degree of dissociation is decreases in weak electrolyte. What, friends? In the presence of strong electrolyte. In the presence of strong electrolytes, the condition is the both having a common ion. Friends, common ion effect is the suppression of weak electrolyte in the presence of strong electrolytes. The condition is the both having a common ion. This is called as common ion effect. Friends, some more example. First example, the example is the weak electrolyte. Now you know that in my previous class what is weak electrolytes and what is strong electrolytes. Friends, weak electrolyte is the SCN. Friends, SCN is a weak electrolyte and this is weak electrolyte. Okay, friends. And what is strong electrolyte? One more example in strong electrolyte, KCN. KCN is the strong electrolyte. It is a salt. K plus and Cn minus ions are present in there. This is called as strong electrolyte. Friends, this is called as strong electrolytes. These two are the examples. Now, friends, SCN is a weak electrolyte. Friends, SCN is partially dissociated. Friends, SCN is a weak electrolyte. Weak electrolyte is a partially dissociated. It is H plus Cn minus ions is dissociated. SCN is partially dissociated to form the H plus and Cn minus ions are present in there. This is the weak electrolyte. Now I am going to talk about strong electrolyte. KCN is a strong electrolyte. This is the 100% is dissociated because of this is strong electrolytes. Okay, friends, this is 100% dissociated. K plus Cn minus. Okay, friends. In this SCN and KCN, what is the common ion? Ion is Cn minus ion is common. Okay, friends, Cn minus ion is common. Now, what is the common ion effect? Okay, friends, what is the common ion effect? Friends, this is the SCN. SCN is a weak electrolyte. Okay, friends, I am talking about SCN is a weak electrolyte. This is the solution. This is the weak electrolyte solution is present in there. SCN is a weak electrolyte solution. This is the equilibrium state. Equilibrium state is more stable. This is SCN is present in that solution. Now what happened? The addition of KCN. In this SCN solution is a stable state. Now whenever the addition of suddenly KCN solution is addition. Now what happened there, friends? This KCN is a strong electrolyte. It is dissociated to the 100% dissociated. It means H plus and Cn minus ions are 100% dissociated. Now whenever the Cn minus ions are present in KCN, now this is the equilibrium state and the solution is KCN solution is added. Now Cn minus ion concentration is increases. What happened there, friends? Cn minus ion concentration is increases in in equilibrium of solution. Cn minus ion concentration is increases. Cn minus ion is concentration is increases. What happened there, friends? Now the equilibrium is disturbed. Whenever the Cn minus ion concentration is increases, equilibrium is disturbed. Now whenever equilibrium is disturbed due to Le-Chatelier principle, what happened there, friends? Due to Le-Chatelier principle, what happened there, friends? Le-Chatelier principle is says that the increases of concentration increases. What happened there? Equilibrium shift to the backward direction, friends. Equilibrium shift to the this weak electrolyte is SCN is gives H plus Cn minus ions. What happened there? Is Cn minus ion concentration is increases whenever KCN solution is added. Now what happened there? Cn minus ion concentration is increases. Now what happened there, friends? Equilibrium shift in backward direction. In this case, what happened there? H plus ion concentration is decreases. H plus ion concentration is decreases. The equilibrium shift in backward direction. What happened there? The degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte SCN is suppression. The degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte SCN is a suppression. It means decreases of degree of dissociation. Because of this is a small quantity of degree of dissociation in forward direction, but what happened there? Equilibrium shift in backward direction, this is the very small, and equilibrium shift in backward direction, now H plus and Cn minus is to form to SCN. Now these two are formed to SCN. What happened? This is the small quantity of the dissociation. This is the small quantity of moles are present in there, and this is the dissociation is very small. It means this dissociation is suppression. It means degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte SCN is a suppression. This is the concept of the common ion effect. Clear, friends? Now one more important example. This is arise. Friends, it follows the Le-Chatelier principle. This is very important, friends. Common ion effect is follows the Le-Chatelier principle. This is arise. Friends, one more example. The example is the weak electrolyte. Friends, weak electrolyte is NH4OH. NH4OH is a weak electrolyte, and strong electrolyte is the NH4Cl. This is the weak electrolyte, and NH4Cl is a salt. This is also strong electrolytes. Friend, what happened there, friends? What happened there? NH4OH is a weak electrolyte. It is a partially dissociated. It means H plus NH4 plus OH minus ions are present in there. Now this is the NH4Cl is gives NH4 plus Cl minus ions are present in there, friends. This is the strong electrolyte. This is 100% dissociated. 100% dissociated. This is the NH4OH is a partially dissociated. Because of this is weak electrolyte. Clear, friends? Now what happened there in these two solutions? What happened there? NH4OH at equilibrium, what happened there? The addition of NH4Cl is strong electrolyte solution. What happened there? NH4 plus ion concentration is increases. NH4 plus ion concentration is increases. Whenever the NH4 plus concentration is increases, what happened there, friends? Equilibrium 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 shift backward direction. Equilibrium shift backward direction. What happened there, friends? NH4 plus ion concentration is increases, equilibrium shift in backward direction, and OH minus ion concentration is in what happened there, friends? OH minus ion concentration is decreases because of the strong electrolyte is added to the NH4OH weak electrolyte solution. Now the OH minus ion concentration is decreases in this case. Now NH4 plus concentration is increases. It means that it follows the Le Chatelier's principle. It follows the Le Chatelier principle. NH4 plus concentration is increases, equilibrium shift in backward direction. Now what happened there? Dissociation of the NH4OH weak, this called as weak electrolyte. Dissociation of weak electrolyte NH4OH is suppressed. Dissociation of NH4OH, it means weak electrolyte is suppressed because of the NH4 plus ion concentration is increases whenever NH4Cl solution is added to the weak electrolyte, that is the NH4OH. This concept is called as common ion effect. This is the common ion effect. Now one more important numerical problem. This is clear, friends. This is arise. How to solve the numerical problems for them? This common ion effect. Now one more important example. The example is the, friends, this is the question. What is the question, friends? Calculate the concentration of H plus ion in a mixture of 0.2 molar acetic acid and 0.1 molar sodium acetate. Now the equilibrium constant or ionization constant of acetic acid, Ka for acetic acid, is 10 to the power of minus 5. Now the calculate the concentration of H plus ion. This is the question, friends. Now this is the question. Now how to solve this type of questions in competitive exams? Now friends, in acetic acid is a weak acid. This is the weak electrolyte. Acetic acid is CH3COOH. This is the weak acid. This is the partially dissociated, friends. Partially dissociated, it means partially dissociated, it is CH3COO minus plus H plus is present in there. Friends, this is the acetic acid is the 0.2 molar. It means now this is the initial this concentration is C. Initially, friends, this concentration is C, it's dissociated to the 0 and 0. But at equilibrium, friends, what happened there? This is the C, and the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte is the C into C minus C alpha is present in there, because of the alpha is the degree of dissociation. Weak electrolyte is this is the alpha. Now C is present in there, C alpha moles is dissociated. Now C minus C alpha, this is the C alpha, and C alpha is present in there. This is already, you know that in my previous class what is this topic is explained briefly. Now C minus C alpha, this is C alpha and C alpha is present in there. Now Ka equal to, friends, what is the Ka? Ka is equal to concentration of CH3COO minus plus H plus by concentration of CH3COOH. The degree of the concentration of products by concentration of reactants is called as Ka. This is called as the equilibrium constant or ionization constant of this is the Ka means acid. Okay, friends, this is clear, friends. Now what happened there, friends? This is the Ka is at equilibrium. This is solution of equilibrium. Ka is equal to CH3COO minus and H plus. But you know that in sodium acetate are present in there in this solution. Sodium acetate are present in this solution. Now sodium acetate is Friends, sodium acetate is present in this solution. It means sodium acetate is CH3COO Na. This is the strong electrolyte. It is dissociated is 100% CH3COO minus plus Na plus is present in there. Now this is the CH3COO Na is the 0.1 molar, friends. 0.1 molar. This is 0 and 0, but after some time what happened there, this is 0 and this is 0.1 molar and this is 0.1 molar is present in there. 1 molar is present in there. Now the solution are at equilibrium. Solution at equilibrium, what happened there? Acetic acid is weak electrolyte and sodium acetate is strong electrolyte. This strong electrolyte is present in the acetic acid. Now what happened there, friends? The concentration of CH3COO minus concentration is increases. It means Ka, friends, this is very important, friends. Now the Ka value is the 10 to the power of minus 5 equal to CH3COO minus is the, this is the common ions are present in the acetic acid and sodium acetate. Now what is the concentration of CH3COO? The concentration of CH3COO minus is the CH3COO minus is C alpha plus this is the concentration of CH3COO minus is the 0.1. This is the very important step. The concentration of the CH3COO minus is the C alpha plus 0.1. It means solution of equilibrium. Solution of at equilibrium. Solution is strong electrolyte and weak electrolyte is present in this is C alpha plus 0.1. H plus is the C alpha by CH3COO minus is C minus C alpha is present in there, friends. So what happened there? This is the weak electrolyte. The degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte in the presence of strong electrolyte. What happened there, friends? Due to common ion effect, what happened there? The concentration of CH3COO minus, the degree of dissociation of CH3COO minus is decreases. It means this 2C alpha term is very small. C alpha, it means this common ion of this common ion present in the strong electrolyte, this is the neglected. This is the neglected. This C alpha term is neglected. What happened there, friends? 10 to the power of minus 5 equal to 0.1 into C alpha by C is common, 1 minus alpha is present in there. This C and C is cancelled. Now 10 to the power of minus 5. Now this is the 1 minus alpha. The degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte 1 minus alpha is nearly equal to the 1. This is the, already you know that in according to Oswald dilution this term is 1. Now 0.1 into alpha is present in there. Now alpha is equal to 10 to the power of minus 5 by this is 0.1 is the 0.1. It means this value is the alpha is equal to 10 to the power of minus 4. 10 to the power of minus 4 is the alpha value is 10 to the power of minus 4. Now we have to calculate the concentration of H plus. Concentration of H plus is the C alpha. Now C alpha is the C is the 0.02 into 10 to the power of minus 4. It means the value is the, this is multiplied to the 100. What happened there? This is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is the concentration of H plus ion. It is the moles per liter. This is the concept of this type of questions in common ion effect. The very important step is this is the C alpha. This term is neglected because of the common ion effect is present in there. This C alpha term is very small. This term is neglected, and calculate this type of questions is like this. The constant of the final answer is the H plus ion concentration is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6 moles per liter. This is the concept of the common ion effect. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.